10 things to do as soon as you get rich. The wealthy didn't get to where they're at by accident. Unless acquired through inheritance, their fortune is a byproduct of years of hard work, hours of dedication, and taking calculated risks. Although very rare, it may happen that people get to increase their net worth overnight, but that is typically a result of winning the lottery or by inheriting a fortune from a dead relative, as stated earlier. However, few of those people are ready for the money, and they will most likely lose it as quickly as they got it. This typically happens because they lack financial education, don't know how to manage money, have never built wealth, possess bad habits, and are eager to spend their new fortune on depreciating assets and liabilities, thus putting them at the threshold of bankruptcy. Like everyone else, the rich are also tempted to do stupid things with their money that could possibly lead them to bankruptcy. However, unlike the majority of the population, they have learned to control their urges and have implemented strategies that prevent them from losing money. Hence, why having a plan and being financially educated is very important, as it will not only help you to budget your money well, it will also allow you to make your money work for you. Furthermore, it will also allow you to stretch those bills until your last days, thus ensuring you a stress-free and happy life. Dear future entrepreneurs and moguls, here are 10 things to do as soon as you get rich to ensure that your money lasts you till the rest of your days. Number 1. Keep it to yourself. Running your mouth about how rich you've become is one of the most dangerous things you can ever do. You might come across as cocky and pretentious. People will start expecting things from you. You will be judged by everything you spend and don't spend your money on. If you're not careful with what you say, the news that you've just become rich will spread like a wildfire, attracting people who don't have your best interests at heart and who are ready to use and abuse you. Number 2, pay all bad debt. Debt is one of the threats that can potentially destroy your financial security, as it keeps you away from saving money and from investing. To ensure that your new fortune lasts till the end of your days, you should make sure that you pay all your debts, starting with the ones of high interest and finishing with the ones of low interest. Paying off credit card debt as quickly as possible will save you money in interest, but also help keep your credit in good shape. Paying off a collection account gives you points in the payments history portion of your credit score. Number 3, keep working. Most millionaires don't sell their companies unless they wish to change industries. The wealthy don't retire from their work offline unless they want to. Anyone who ever became successful didn't quit his or her job without having a plan. Successful people may take breaks, but they never stop working because they will quickly become bored, lost, and their lives will lose meaning. Moreover, suddenly quitting your job means that the income you were getting from working will stop, thus forcing you to use your new fortune to cover all your expenses. If not included in your budget, your new way of living will quickly chip off from your fortune and could possibly lead to bankruptcy in the future. Number 4, invest your money. Investing has always been one of the best ways to ensure present and future long-term financial security. Furthermore, you should invest because inflation can seriously affect the value of cash savings over the medium and long term. The money generated from your investments will create cash flow that could potentially lead to financial freedom. Vehicles like stocks, bonds, and ETFs provide passive income in the form of dividends. Real estate, on the other hand, allows investors to make money through rental income, appreciation, and profits generated by business activities that depend on the property, tax advantages, diversification, and leverage. Number 5, learn more about financial education. Financial literacy is important to people of all backgrounds because it equips us with the knowledge and skills we need to manage money effectively. Without it, our financial decisions and the actions we take or don't take lack a solid foundation for success. Moreover, learning about personal finance gives you the knowledge and understanding to make smart money choices. Thus, you become more in control of your own life and are empowered to do the things that matter most to you. Additionally, anyone with great financial education will experience less suffering and more happiness than someone with little to no financial education. Number 6, do not lend money to people. No matter how much you love or care for the person, lending money to a loved one is something you should refrain yourself from doing. If you lend money to a friend or family member, beware that you may not get your money back and your relationship with the person may never be the same. This could cause extreme tensions between both parties and could potentially lead to fights, loss of trust, disappointments, and more. Moreover, people will try to borrow money from you because they can't get a loan from a bank. In other words, that means traditional lenders consider them to be risky borrowers. Number 7, don't try to impress others. Spending your money on material possessions to impress others might make you feel better in the moment. However, in the long run, it won't help you reach your financial goals and will potentially lead you to accumulating debt. The people who truly love you will love and accept you for who you are, not for the version of yourself you're trying to portray. When you are deeply concerned by people's opinions and are completely consumed with trying to impress others, you lose sight of what truly matters, your happiness and your well-being. Number 8, adapt to your current situation. Being able to adapt to change is a key skill to survival. Furthermore, adapting to change is what keeps us informed, relevant, variable, and at the forefront of the competitive edge. People resist change because they believe they will lose something of value or fear they will not be able to adapt to the new environment. Moreover, they have become accustomed to their old settings and can't see themselves living any other way. Your new fortune will give you more opportunities than you've ever desired and more resources to spend on everything you've dreamed of. However, just because you can now do whatever you want doesn't mean that you should do whatever you want and possibly put yourself in so much trouble that it could potentially cost you your money or, at worst, your life. Number 9, get healthier. A healthy diet prevents malnutrition and protects you from diseases like obesity, heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and stroke. Combined with exercising, good nutrition can help you to reach and maintain a healthy weight and promote an overall healthy lifestyle. Moreover, being educated and more aware of the health benefits of fresh fruits and vegetables, as well as the negative effects of sugary, salty, high-fat foods, will help you better reconstruct your diet and eating habits. What good is it to have all the money in the world if you can't enjoy it? Number 10, update your social circle. Honest friends can increase your career growth by their genuine opinions, appreciating you, and giving you the confidence to achieve whatever you want. While you can respect others' opinions and differences, choosing friends that hold similar values to yours will keep you from compromising or being negatively influenced by those that don't uphold your values and the standards that you govern your life by. Not only personal growth, but your future growth is also connected with your friends. That's why you have to be careful while choosing them. In conclusion, though it may happen that people get to increase their net worth overnight, which is typically a result of winning the lottery or by inheriting a fortune from a dead relative, few of them are actually ready for the money and will most likely lose it as quickly as they got it or get it. Having a plan and being financially educated is very important, as it will not only help you to budget your money well, it will also allow you to make your money work for you. Furthermore, it will allow you to stretch those bills until your last days, thus ensuring you a stress-free and happy life. The end. Thank you.